Hello, welcome to my tutorial. My name is Bountiful. Today I'll be sharing with you how to extract phone numbers from a WhatsApp group. Okay. Um, First of all, this is for people that want to run bulk SMS and they want to send bulk SMS to their customers and they have a WhatsApp group or maybe they belong to a WhatsApp group and they just want to blast SMS to the phone numbers, maybe um, numbers that they don't even really know, but they just want to convert them to customers somehow by sending bulk SMS to them. Although bulk SMS right now it's having few issues, which includes the DND do not disturb numbers and all that, and they are actually limiting people from sending the usual bulk SMS they would have loved to always send and all that. But there's some restrictions right now. But if you're able to come around the restrictions, that's awesome. You can also be able to oh nice. You can be able to run this and send your products to people. Okay, let's get to it without wasting your time. Um, what I'm going to show you it's simple. All you need is key things, a Google Chrome browser. You're definitely going to be using a laptop to do this. You can't use your mobile phone to do this. I'm so sorry about that. So you have to use a laptop, and then you have to also open a Google Chrome browser, and then yeah, that's basically the two key things you actually need. So if you have them, let's get started. So if you don't have them, you need to download the Google Chrome browser, and yeah, I have to use a laptop to do that. Okay. First of all, there's what we call Google extensions. Okay, with Google extensions, you can be able to add some tools and increase productivity, and just like a mobile app, this thing that you can actually add to your browser and it makes browsing your browsing experience awesome, and then helps you to complete some tasks. Okay, so what I'm going to share with you right now, it's pretty simple. Like I said, it's pretty simple. I'm all about simplicity. Okay, how to get started. First of all, type Google extensions on Google and click enter. You are going to see the first web store and all that. You click this, and okay, you're going to see the search the store. Type WAP group extractor. You click on it. I have already installed it, so this is it here. So there's a button that's going to show you that says okay install or add. So you confirm the add, and it's going to come right at the top top bar of your browser. Okay. Once you've added that, you go to the WhatsApp group. Now, how do you connect your WhatsApp to your phone? All you just have to do is simple thing. Type so many tabs. Type web.whatsapp.com. Once you do that, it's going to open. If it's the first time, it's going to come with a a barcode scanner. What you have to how to connect it to how you can connect it is when you go to your phone, you just open your phone. Once you open your phone, you see the first three the three dots on the phone beside the search icon. You'll see after the new group, new broadcast, you'll see WhatsApp web. Click on the WhatsApp web, it's going to bring a barcode scanner that you can be able to authenticate the barcode scanner with your phone, and it's you synchronize your WhatsApp, and your WhatsApp will be on your laptop. You can also chat on your laptop while you do your thing, right? Okay, so that said, I want to extract the phone numbers on this WhatsApp group. Now, immediately I click on a WhatsApp group that has numbers, it's going to bring this icon here telling me export. It's going to show that export button. What it means is export the WhatsApp numbers. So all I just have to do is simply click export. So it's going to come with some pop-ups that says contact word is 234. This says blah blah blah. What would the right word to append, or the I just like the name you want to append on all the all the WhatsApp numbers. You could just call it based on maybe let me just use Bountiful. Okay, I could do that. Do Bountiful, starting the number of contacts. Default is one. Yeah, yeah, use one. So you click on OK. Automatically, it's going to download what we call it, the CSV file export of the contact. So once you click on save, see it's downloading here. You can click on save and open. So let's open it. Our Excel sheet is open. Okay, awesome. Um, Here you can see that um, that's that name I put, the word bountiful and all that. So here is your main key thing, your main key focus, the phone number here. So this phone number shows in total the number of people on this group. There are about 77 people on this group, and there are 77 numbers. Okay, yeah. So right now, I want to copy these phone numbers out, but they are much. All I just simply have to do is, sorry. So all I just have to do is simply open a notepad on my laptop. First of all, I come to this portal and then click on highlight and copy. Okay, highlight and copy, and then come to this place here and copy and put paste. That's it. All the phone numbers you could. So all the phone numbers, the 77 of them are right here on the WhatsApp, on the notepad. Sorry. So all of them. So if you want to send bulk SMS, normally when you want to send bulk SMS, you just have to put their format like either you put a comma, or you just put jump to the next line. And so on the on the bulk SMS platform that you want to use, you just have to just copy like this and paste it there, and you're good to go. So you can now send your bulk SMS and make your money. All right, so that's basically it. That's basically it. It's that simple. It's that simple. It's that simple. So, all right, guys, if you want to really confirm that too, we have about how many numbers? Okay, 80 numbers. Okay, those that have saved with names. Now, one thing about I thank God I had to check this out now. Those ones that have names is not going to extract it. Yes, it's not going to extract the phone numbers that have names. They already believe that the numbers you are extracting basically are numbers you don't know. So the ones that have names, you can't extract it. It's the only ones that don't have names that you can extract. I have to mention that. So thank you so much for watching, and yeah, that's it. That's it, guys. That's it, guys. All the best.